Hey everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Connectors to update your existing CRM tracker step by step. If you've never used connectors before, don't worry, we'll start from scratch. Connectors let Claude securely link up with services you already use, Gmail, Google Calendar, Notion, Google Drive, and more, so it can read and act on your real data instead of you copy-pasting it in. For this video, we'll connect Claude to Google Drive so it can open and update your live spreadsheet. To get started, open Claude. Down in the bottom left corner of the chat box, you'll see a plus icon. This is where you add files, connectors, and more. Click that, then click Add Connectors, then Browse Connectors. You'll see a list of all the different services Claude can connect to. Scroll through, and near the top you'll find the popular options: Canva, Microsoft 365, Figma, Notion, Gmail, and Google Drive. Let's connect Google Drive. Click on it, grant the requested permissions, and click Continue. Let's go back to Customize, then Connectors, and you'll see Google Drive already listed. Click into it, and here you can see the breakdown between default read access and the separate write permissions. I'll click Allow on the write permissions as well. That's it. Claude can now both read from and write to your Google Drive. Let's open a new chat to test this out. Down in the chat box, click the plus icon again, then Connectors, and now you'll see Google Drive toggled on, along with an option called Add from Google Drive. Hovering over that shows your recent files, and right at the top is Sales Pipeline CRM. Let's add that. With the file attached, I'll ask a read-only question first. Take a look at my CRM and tell me which deals are closest to closing. Right here, Claude reviews the pipeline and pulls out the deals in negotiation and proposal. It's not just listing every row, it's prioritizing the ones that actually need attention right now. Now, let's take this further and see if Claude can actually take action on the sheet. I'll type Update my CRM for CloudBridge Inc., move their status to proposal, and log today's date as the last contacted date. And right here, you can see it's failing. Claude is telling us it can't write to an existing spreadsheet. The native Google Drive connector is read-only. So what do we do now? This is where Zapier MCP comes in. Let's create a free Zapier account. Head over to zapier.com and sign in with your Gmail account. The whole thing takes about a minute. Once you're in on the Zapier homepage, look for the Start from Scratch section and click the MCP button. From the list of AI agents, choose Claude. A dialog titled Connect to Claude will pop up with a prompt already prepared for you. Copy that prompt, head back to Claude, and paste it in. After running it, you'll see the Zapier connector appear in Claude. Click Connect, and Zapier will ask which account to use for authorization. Go ahead and confirm. Now click the Use button to use this Zapier connector. It'll then ask for permission to use the listed Zapier skills. Allow those too. Now it's asking which app you want to connect through Zapier. Type Google Sheets. Zapier will search for it, and you'll see Google Sheets is available with read, write, and search actions. Go ahead and enable it. Next, Zapier needs to authenticate your Google account to actually access your sheets. It'll provide a direct link to connect. Click that. You'll see the Google Sheets connection listed. Click Connect to the right of it. Sign in with your Gmail account and grant the read and write permissions it's asking for. Once authentication is successful, head back to the Zapier console. After that, expand the Google Sheets tools to see everything that's now available. Then click Update Connection to confirm all 28 listed tools. Zapier is now fully wired up to your Google Sheet. Let's go back to Claude and simply tell it to continue from where we left off and update our Google Sheet CRM. Claude will ask you to allow it to execute an action through Zapier. And the update was successful. Let's verify in the sheet. And there it is. The status for CloudBridge Inc. has changed from contacted to proposal, with today's date logged as the last contacted date. Claude can also create a new row entirely, not just edit existing ones. Let's try that. I'll type Add a new row for Alpha Corp. Claude will ask to execute the action through Zapier again. Click Allow. Right here, the 11th row appears in the sheet automatically, populated across all the right columns with today's date logged and the deal size and status exactly as specified.
And that's how you turn Claude into a real workflow tool, not just a chatbot. If you want to see what else it can do, hit subscribe. More coming soon.